Hi, this is Russ Gaspard for Application Deployment 1, iPhone and iPad Online, and it is September 2014. My app that I'm pitching is called Woodshed, and it's about woodshedding or practicing to reach mastery of your instrument. And it not only will provide a metronome and some drone tones for practicing your intonation, but the biggest thing it'll do is eliminate all these little scraps of paper where students keep track of how long they're practicing and what they're practicing. It will all be stored locally on their device and will include functionality to back it up to the cloud using Cloudant and allow aspiring instrumentalists to stay organized and on task and reach maximum proficiency on their instrument. Thank you.